Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to a new vlog. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some lunchbox ideas. I guess this is also a what we eat in a week school edition. Be sure to try out some of the recipes mentioned in this video. For Monday, we just made some tortilla wraps. In these wraps, there's a kebab and some sauce. Then we just grilled that in the sandwich maker. It's a super easy and delicious recipe and it only takes a few minutes to make in the morning. Then we just wrapped it in some tin foil and put it in the lunch boxes. With that, you can add a sweet of your choice. We're taking these chocolate bars. With that, you can add a piece of fruit. We're taking oranges. For Tuesday, we fried some spring rolls and onion rings. You can just wrap it in some tin foil and put it in the lunch boxes. The ones we made were fried in oil, but as a healthier option, you can air fry them. In addition, you can add a piece of fruit. We're taking an apple. And of course a sweet. Today we're taking Kit Kat. For Wednesday's lunch, we're making these egg sandwiches. So to make these, you just need to boil some eggs and crush them with a fork first. Then you can add a sauce of your choice. We're adding mayonnaise. Then you want to spread it on a piece of bread. And add another piece on top of it. Lastly, you can cut it into any shape you like. Then you can just wrap it with some cling foil. Put it into the lunchbox along with some snacks of your choice. For Thursday, we're making these delicious salami and cheese grilled sandwiches. For this, firstly you need to butter the bread and put it onto the sandwich maker. Then you can add the salami and the cheese and just grill it. And there is another super quick way to make a sandwich. After grilling it, you can cut it into any shape you like and wrap it in some tin foil. With that, we're adding some oranges, a chocolate bar, and today we're also adding some sliced cucumbers. Friday is treat day, so today we're taking lots of snacks. Firstly, we're taking some double chocolate cupcakes. Along with that, we're adding a cheese string. Some Actimel, and a Nutella bar. We're also taking some Walkers, and that about completes our lunchbox ideas video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe and share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Bye guys, have a wonderful day.